The title of our lesson today is what, Hamza?
11.2 outcome.
And Joshua, what is the I can statement?
I can create tree diagrams to show outcomes.
What is an outcome, Tristan? What is a sample space, Aisha? So an outcome is a result, and a sample space would be all of the results, right? Sweet. And what is a tree diagram, Hanya?
A visual to show and organize data.
When did we use a tree diagram in the past? Can somebody tell me when we used a tree diagram in the past, before our notes today? Tristan?
Finding prime factorization.
Remember when we did prime factorization, we used factor trees?
Yeah.
Is that very similar to what the tree diagram is that we use today?
Yeah.
Tree diagrams. We're flipping a coin twice. The tree diagram that we used here for both groups, we labeled our first flip, flip 1, our second flip, flip 2, and then we listed all of the possibilities by drawing lines to connect everything together. So friends, family, children, men, women. If you flip a coin, what are the two different outcomes that are possible from flipping a coin? Axel? Heads and tails. Now, if we got a head and we flipped the coin again, let's say we got a head and we flipped it again, what are our two possible outcomes, Kennedy?
A head or a tail.
A head or a tail. Let's say we flipped the first time and got a tail. What would be our two possible outcomes on the second flip, Caden?
Head, tails, head.
Heads or tails. If you follow the arrows, you can create your sample space after doing both of your flips, because we're only asking for 2 flips, and so on and so forth. What is, or how many different outcomes are possible for flipping a coin twice, Yahira? How many outcomes are possible for flipping a coin twice? 4 outcomes. I'm not going to go through number 5 because number 5 is very similar to number 4, except for we added a third possibility to our first event. So we are scooping ice cream. So go ahead and look at that when you have time or when you're going through the video notes. Questions before I stop the video?